have a picture here because this kind of talks about the different kind of microbes as the child grows older. So at birth, they have a very restricted form of microbe, and that's the E. Bacteriaceae. As the child grows, begins to get microbes from the mother, from the milk, from the environment. You see that it begins to multiply, it begins to multiply, begins to multiply. And by 3 years, it is agreed that the microbiome, the balance, the different kinds of bacteria and viruses and all that is established by the age of 3. So by the age of 3, henceforth, even if you have 50 or so on, it's really that balance has been established since the age of 3. Now, it can be modified a little bit by food, diet, exercise, stress levels, and all those things. But the main thing is established by the age of 3, which brings up an interesting point. The interesting point is this, that most kids, by the time they present with autism, by the time the parents start to notice things, it's before the age of 3. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? It is. In fact, in all my patients, when the parents started noticing something was going wrong, or if the child was doing well and regressed, it's almost always before the age of 3, maybe 2.5, 2 years of age. And so here's an interesting point. This yellow thing here, you can see Prevotella. You can see that it's there, it's here. You can see that it is not anywhere else. So by the age of 2 to 3 is when it comes in. What they found out in autism, and I'm going to show you the video now, another slide, is that most children with autism are lacking in that Prevotella. It's one of the key organisms that are missing in autism.